The Foundation for the Culture and Art Development of Uzbekistan and the French architectural agency Studio KO have presented two projects: the renovation of the Center and Contemporary Art Building and the establishment of art residence in Tashkent. The project that will be accomplished jointly with the local and foreign partners envisages having the first residence in the Mahalla of Namun and Madrasa Matkarimboy by fully preserving the traditional architectural school. The second is to be opened in the Hastema Mahalla on the ground of the old kindergarten. The architects explained the stage of work and presented 3D visual models of the new buildings and premises. Our residence will become an educational platform for the Center of Contemporary Art in Tashkent and Progressive Art Space. There will be creative workshops for working with different disciplines and directions, including painting, sculptures, ceramics, textiles, new media, cinema, and 3D printing. Within the framework of educational program, it is planned to launch special programs for the professional development of artists.
First place, what we felt was of a great quality of architecture, what was untouched, what was from the period of 1912 of the construction. Then we identified that this should never be removed, and by removing things that were more recent and less interesting, then we started to add what was necessary for the program. I think I would see it like a place of life, a place of inclusion and not exclusion, so a place that would be easy to access, dedicated to populations from all over the country, from other Central Asian countries, from other countries, a place for people to meet and to be happy together and to discover and to learn new things. So really a place of life.